I've started doing pottery at the house.
Have you really?
Yes, I swear.
Is it any good?
No.
Not yet. It's getting there.
Absolutely awful.
Look at.
But Poppy
getting
does
there.
it with me.
Oh,
Look.
look at her.
All right.
I'm supposed to go here?
Yeah. And you can put the towel over your lap if you want.
This is very
I
exciting.
saw Ghost. I'm gonna be great at
All
this.
right, you ready?
All right, so this is amazing to me because Nate hates to be dirty more
I
than
hate
anything
to
in the
be
world.
dirty.
Are you
hate
putting
it.
a towel over you?
Of course I am.
Oh.
I wish I was wearing a spacesuit.
All right.
What do I do?
All right,
What do I
you're
do?
going to do this in a heel, which is
No,
painful.
you look here. There we go. No shoe.
All right.
All right, you're in charge.
All right, what am I
All right,
doing?
so put your foot on the wheel.
All right.
Lightly. We want it to be a slow speed. Slow, slow, slow.
Okay.
Slower than that. See how it's going everywhere?
It's so messy already.
All right,
It
so
makes me
grab a little bit of
crazy.
water.
Okay.
I don't know how. That's too fast. Very.
Oh, this is disgusting.
Very
It's disgusting.
It's not seductive. I mean, it's not disgusting. It's seductive. Like, don't you find it?
Jeremiah?
So listen to me. What are you doing over there? You're doing it wrong.
All right, go ahead.
But good job.
What am I supposed to do with this?
Rest your elbow on your knee, and you want to use the
Rest
pressure
my
from
elbow.
this, and you want to start to squeeze it together.
Rachel's wheel is like,
You're way too fast.
yeah.
I swear this is therapeutic.
This is,
Baby, you made a bowl.
yeah, Rachel's having a very Virgo moment.
Slow it down. Slow it down. There you go. A little bit slower.
Oh,
Well, it's
What's
starting.
happening on the Rachel Ray show
First
right
of all,
now? Wait,
this is
look
how-
at Rachel's and look at Jeremiah's. Are you
Listen,
sure?
I'm gonna bring it back down.
I hope. This is really
Look.
our marriage is like
That's
in
not what's
jeopardy
supposed to
right
be
now.
happening.
I give up. I give up. This is too creepy.
This isn't good for your patience
My only
level.
vocation. Look, I'm not even touching the thing and it's spinning. Look, no foot. Mine is possessed. And I do want to say, if you love pottery, Lamano Pottery gave us these lovely wheels. I'm sure that they are horrified with this segment.
For sure.
But thank you to Lamano. These monos are going to clean up before they go to the kitchen. We love Nate and Jeremiah, and we're so happy that their family is growing. Be sure to catch their show, Nate and Jeremiah by Design, because it's about so much more than design. It's about home and love. And it is Saturday, April 7th. That's this Saturday at 10 p.m. on TLC. Check out a little preview. Here's a clip from the new season.
Time to bring the ornaments. Poppy is a force to be reckoned with.
Dun, da-da-da.
Introducing Princess Poppy! What I love is that you found a way to derail us from our plan, which is to go get dressed.